My name is John Burns. I'm retired and I moved to Spain last year. We live in Chalon. My first appointment was with the urologist at Tiulada after a blood test highlighted high protein, my PSA test. He suggested I have a scan to check the prostate, and then that highlighted an abnormality. So he suggested I go to Valencia to have a biopsy, as I was told they have the best technology. Dr. Mia, who was looking after me, gave me several options, and that included surgery or possibly radiotherapy, but she did suggest that the best option for me would be the Da Vinci. The Da Vinci procedure was more accurate, so I chose to have the Da Vinci procedure. I was fairly familiar with the surgery, as my brother also had prostate cancer 2 years ago, and he had the same operation with Da Vinci. After the operation, immediately after I was taken to intensive care as usual, I did have a reaction, which was quite painful because I'd been in the operation for longer than anticipated. But the staff were excellent and managed to get the pain reduced, and I was fine after that. We also had a nice room, and it was really good that my wife could stay with me for the first few days of recovery. The operation has saved my life, so I would say the operation was successful, and life is better. I was able to communicate perfectly with staff. I'd say 99% of them. There was a couple of staff that struggled with English, but it was quite easily to get over that. And but I'd say practically all the staff spoke English. It was basically through my doctor, and also the insurance company who work closely with IMED. I would recommend IMED for the surgery. Dr. Mia, I must say, was absolutely fantastic and looked after me. And yes, I'd certainly recommend them to anybody having surgery. I think it's certainly helped me. It's extremely accurate, as it was highlighted. So yes, I would definitely recommend the Da Vinci operation.